Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the language of the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the settings option in the upper left corner of the screen, then scroll down till you find the language options section and click on it. It is set to English right now, that's the default language of the app, but if you scroll down, you can see that there is a vast variety of languages that you can choose from. All you have to do is select the relevant one you would like to change it for and tap on it. As you are directed to your homepage, you can see that the language of the application has been changed and updated completely. So if you want to change it back, you can go back to this section and select another language. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.